Okay, so it's November 22nd, and the puppies are 3 weeks old, and Sunny's nursing them here on a blanket outside of the whelping box because it gives her a little bit more room. And they're all happy eating or walking around exploring. Right, guys? And they all have their eyes and ears open, and they're walking around really well and all eating really well. They are growing. They're all over 3 pounds. And they're walking around and they're learning how to bite each other's ears and tails and play, and they're really cute right now.